In this guide, I'm going to show you where you can get cat beds here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But by far the most common places to get cat beds here in Arc Raiders is going to be residential areas. If you hit play down in the bottom right and go to the map section, I would say the most common area is going to be on the buried city map. If you open this up and then hit inspect over here, you're going to see all the options on here. And if you go to places like the Santa Maria houses, for example, that have like this little person icon on here, these areas are going to have the highest chance of having cat beds. You can also loot areas like Plaza Rosso or the Grandizo apartments. Basically, any residential style area is going to have a chance of having those cat beds. Now, I will say, if they have like a red outline on them and they still have that like person icon in them as well, check those areas first. These yellow ones are pretty good as well, but everywhere else isn't going to be like high or medium loot zones. Red is high, yellow is medium, and then of course everywhere else is just normal. Marked areas have a higher chance of giving you the items that you need. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.